Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Tawk.to WordPress. First, access your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins and then Add New. In the search bar, type Tawk.to Live Chat and press Enter. Once you find the official Tawk.to plugin, click Install Now. After the installation completes, make sure to click Activate to enable the plugin. This crucial first step connects your WordPress site to the Tawk.to service, preparing it for live chat functionality. Next, you will need a Tawk.to account. If you do not already have one, visit the Tawk.to website and sign up for a free account. It only takes a few moments. Once registered, log into your Tawk.to dashboard. Here, you will add a new property for your website. Provide your website's name and its full URL. This step is essential as it links your specific site to your Tawk.to account, allowing you to manage multiple websites from one central dashboard. Now, let's customize your chat widget. Within your Tawk.to dashboard, navigate to the widget section. Here, you can personalize its appearance, choosing colors that match your brand, adjusting its size, and selecting its position on your website. You can also set up automated greetings and pre-chat forms to collect visitor information before a conversation begins. Take your time to configure these settings to provide the best experience for your website visitors. Finally, it is time to integrate and test. Go back to your WordPress dashboard and find the Tawk.to plugin settings. You will be prompted to log into your Tawk.to account through the plugin. This action securely connects your WordPress site to your configured Tawk.to widget. Once connected, visit your live website to ensure the chat widget appears exactly as intended. Send a test message to confirm everything is working perfectly, providing seamless support to your visitors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.